Hi, welcome back to my channel Maison Dor Network with me Dior Shaari and also my friend Alex. He will do previously I post a video of leg side table from Ikea unboxing. So this one is how to put it together. Let's do it with him. He will help me, and then I'm going to do the shoot. Okay, let's go. Okay, so Alex, please help me to do. First, he will start with this one, the screw. Oh, we gotta put that one, okay, the base. So the base, there's the hole. There's a big and small. Actually, Alex, can you show them the hole? So there's a big hole and also there's small hole. So small hole on the top. Wait, small hole on the top. Okay, the big hole. This one. So this one is on the bottom. So that one is for the for the stopper. Okay. Okay, and the last one. You screw first the main board below the main board, so yeah, just with hand. Then he put on the first leg. Okay, just use your hand to push down of the leg, and then it's actually there's a two side. So when done with the leg, when finished with the leg, you know, there's two part. Actually there's two part. When done with the leg, then it will push down the into the main board like that. So you just use hand on it. So you don't need actually to use any tools. Is it okay? Or you need to, is it done? Okay, so, it's nice. So, there's no gap there. You see there? No gap. So, you're gonna do another one. I think I'm gonna try to do also. There is. I just want to try. Oh no! Wait. No. Like this? Correct. Correct. Is it correct? Oh, you try to check. Check first. Alex, look at the camera. Alex, tengok kamera. Ambil gambar. 1, 2, 3. Go more. 1, 2. Okay, done. Okay. Continue. More better, nice frame. Okay, Alex, look at here. Tengok, 1, 2, 3. Okay. This one, I think there's a bit can be, no? Oh, this one. No, it's okay? Okay. As long as it steady and doesn't move around, then it will be fine. The assembly overall took below 7 minutes, or yeah, below 7 minutes. So yeah, it's very fast and easy to install. Oh, done. 6:44. 6:44. 6 minutes 44 seconds. Okay. All right. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much, Alex. Okay. Let's have a picture together with this. Okay, that's it from me. Thank you very much for watching. Me, Dior Shaari, and also Alex, my friend, sign up from my channel Maison Dor Network. Okay, don't forget to subscribe, comment, and share, and anything. Let me know. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.